Take a ride in the 2005 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.